which is the creator of an artificial world, a thing, which is the creator of unexpected things, a thing, which is the great creation of Almighty Allah, a thing, which is the controller of a human being, yes, it is brain, which is the thinking tool, the thinking of Al-Biruni, the thinking of Abu Ali Sina, the thinking of Dr. Abdul Qadir Khan, and the thinking of Thomas Edison, by which we got many things. We got a pinhole camera, we got a bulb, we got an atomic power, and many more. They discovered the things and have proved that the brain is a thinking tool, not a storage device. But now, we are trained that our brain is just a storage device. If you say no, so there is a view on our educational system where students are directed to store, not to implement. And what education we are taking, it is just the game of memorization of facts and figures. My judges, the brain is a storage device, and we are taking disadvantages of it because we store in our brain that how many followers I have on TikTok, how many followers I have on Instagram, how many subscribers I have on YouTube, how many views I have, how many likes I have. We don't worry about our namaz because we worry about our snap sticks, because brain is a storage device. My judges, when I see the stars of my history, so I feel proud myself. Yes, I'm talking about my national heroes, Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, Fatima Muhammad Ali Jinnah, and Dr. Allama Iqbal. Let's move towards the achievement of my national heroes. Let's move towards the achievements of my national heroes. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, who found universities for students, Liaquat Ali Khan, who was the first Prime Minister of Pakistan, Miss Fatima Ali Jinnah, who was the first Lady Dentist of Undivided India and helped Muslim women in migration, Dr. Allama Iqbal, who gave the idea of separate country for Muslims, and the best leader, Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, who is the founder of Pakistan. They explored their ideas, expressed their self in front of whole world, and gave us direction of success, and have proved that your brain is a thinking tool, not a storage device. But according to the situation of our brains, the brain was the thinking tool, now it is just a storage device. Yes, my judges, the brain was the thinking tool, now it is just a storage device. Because we store in our brain that many things. Our teacher says they store that thing what I taught you. We store in our brain that when an intelligent person born, when he died, and what he did. Why we don't think that why he did and how he did. And when we start to think about that, we just open the Google and start to search. My judges, what would have if Fatima Ali Jinnah thought and she stored? What would have if Arfa Karim thought and she stored? What would have if Marie Curie thought and she stored? What would have Al-Biruni thought and he stored? What would have Dr. Allama Iqbal thought and he stored? The brain of Thomas Edison and the brain of mine is same. The brain of Charles Babbage and the brain of yours is same. The brain of Quaid-e-Azam and the brain of today's newborn baby is same. But why history calls the name of those achievers? Why history calls them as a unity? Why is students? Because they know how to use this puzzle thing as a storage device. And they gave these directions of success. So my judges, we will have to apologize that we used our brain as a storage device. We will have to use our brain as a thinking tool because brain is a thinking tool, not a storage device.